Hi, my name is Jason Flesher. I have this 2003 EVO 8. It's a fully built 2.0 liter. We're running currently a 7285 next gen turbo, sports front wheel drive, class legal turbo from Precision. We're also using Demon Spec, Boostin Performance block, PPG dog box, quartermaster, clutch, triple disc, Fat House Fab 1 off manifold, and it's running on Ignite Red on 4 injectors, just E90 fuel. I've had the car for like 12 years. It's been through like many different phases. We started off stock turbo, and then we went to a stock appearing turbo, and then we went to Precision 64 when they first came out. That's when I like really went about and started building the car. That's when it came together, and the 64, it was a great turbo. I loved it on the street. We made tons of power with it. Made like 830 horsepower, and we were able to go, I think, a best of a 920 at 150 with that turbo. And of course, you know, with all the evolutions, it just spirals out of control. The other phases that the car's seen was a 68 from the 64. That made about another 70 horsepower or so. We were able to pilot the car to 9.0 from that, and then we decided we need something really big, want to step it up, so we went with the 7675 7675 Gen 2. That's when we were able to go 8s with it. The best with that turbo was a 845 at 175, I want to say. And then we decided that we wanted to go class racing at Super Street World Cup, so we decided to race with the 72, so we decided to put that on the car. The best ET so far with this has been a 801 at 187. Currently this weekend we were able to capture a new mile an hour with it of a 189.7, so almost 190 out of it. Goals with the car, I just be consistent. Bottom 8s, tickle in the 7s would be awesome. That's the ultimate really end goal with the car. I'd probably say to go 7s at one point. Yeah, so I'd really like to thank Boostin Performance. They've helped me dramatically along the way build this car to what it is today. We've started off small and just worked our way through, and now we're competing with some of the top tier EVOs in the world. And without their help and knowledge and expertise, like, it definitely wouldn't be there. Devin's phenomenal with the tuning, track support, always able to help like line out the car, get it dialed in at the track. Precision Turbo for obviously offering a pretty bad unit that's going to get the job done. I also like to shout out to Quartermaster for supplying a clutch that will literally take everything we can throw at it. I've never had a Quartermaster clutch slip.